Hello, my name is Tasowi Osayende, and this is my Lab 2C video demonstration for electrical design and commissioning. Automation Studio and Studio 5000 are already running, and now I will go to Communications tab and connect to the server. Turn on Simulate. Notice that I push the start button, I2 changes from 0 to 1. As I push the stop button, I2.1 changes from 1 to 0. As I extend the horizontal cylinder, PRX horizontal, which is I2.3, changes to 1, and I retract it, I2.3 changes to 0. And the same is same for the other cylinders. Now for the output, the start LT active light is linked to 2.0. I change it to 1, it comes on, and the gripper light is connected to 2.6. If I change that to 1 also, the gripper light comes on. Thank you.